Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your role. Make sure you are an admin and business manager because only admins can access live support. Once done, open Business. Facebook. Calm and navigate to the support inbox and help center. This is where contact options appear. Prepare concrete evidence, account ID, ad ID, relevant dates, and clear screenshots so your case avoids back and forth. This saves time and speeds up resolution. You'll need these details when you open a chat or submit a form. Next, select the precise issue category in the support inbox to surface tailored contact options. Facebook shows different channels based on the problem. Then choose Contact Support or the Get Help chat, attach your screenshots, and paste the account and ad ID. Describe step-by-step how the issue reproduces because clear replication details speed diagnosis. If live chat, email, or callback options appear, pick the fastest channel you can respond to and keep timestamps handy for follow-up. To finish, monitor the support inbox and respond within 24 to 48 hours so the case stays active. Make sure to reference the ticket number in every reply. If the initial solution fails, politely request escalation or reopen the ticket with new evidence because persistence often gets attention. If you still get no resolution, submit a specialized business help center form or change the admin contact to prompt a fresh review. Troubleshooting tip. When chat stalls, take timestamps and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.